So good morning class 2. This is your English class, and in the last two classes we had been doing prepositions. What is the meaning of prepositions? Who will tell me? What is the meaning of prepositions? It means position words. Words that tell you about the position of an object. They are called preposition. So let me take a small evolution that whether you have understood or not. So everybody take out your English notebook. Take out your English notebook, everybody. Show me the pictures that you had drawn. You had used various words like in front of, between, near, in, inside. Very nice, Aiza. Samaksing, very beautifully drawn. Yes. Actually, you will not unmute yourself. Keep yourself muted.
Which drawings, ma'am?
No, you have not attended the classes. Anya, you were absent, so you just listen. Very nice, Lavanya Kanojia. Very nice. Very beautifully drawn. दिखाइए सब बच्चे. Everybody show me. Everyone very nice. श्रेयांश अपनी कलर नहीं करा बच्चे ड्राइंग के अंदर. पिक्चर्स में कलर कहाँ करा है? कलरिंग भी करनी थी ना बच्चे. और बच्चे दिखाइए. अंकिता बहुत थोड़ा सा करा है. बाकी पेज एम्प्टी है. क्यों? ब्लैंक है. और भी सेंटेंसेस बनाइए. निपुण मैथ्स का नहीं बोला बच्चा मैंने. शो मी ऑफ इंग्लिश. Show me of English. Mona Lisa Ghosh, pictures are missing. Where are the pictures? Shivansh, very nice. Very nice, Prashansa. Very nice, Avni. Very nice, Aiza. Saransh, did I show me the pictures? Beautiful. Okay, very good. So you all have tried. So now practically I have, let's do one practical. Let me find out how much do you remember. And if you know the answer, you will only raise your hand. It is not that you will just unmute and start answering. Is that clear to everybody? Is that clear? Show me with the thumb. Is it clear to all that you will not be unmuting yourself and you will not be answering like that? Okay, now I have two things with me. One is this mug and one is this, my salt pepper case. That's a duck. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to place this duck at different positions. And if you know the answer, you will answer in complete sentence. Okay, one example I will do. For example, if I am placing this here and I'm saying, make a sentence which tells the position of the duck. So what you will say? The duck is near the poo. This is poo. Or you can say the duck is near the mug. Either you can say the duck is near the mug or you can say the duck is near the poo. Correct? So similarly, I'm going to place it at different places and you will tell me what is the position of the duck. But you will speak proper sentence. You will answer in proper sentence. Yes, Avni, you wanted to say something? Ritik, very beautifully drawn. अभी मैं बताऊंगी. ऋतिक, आपको एक सेंटेंस की ड्राइंग नहीं बनानी थी बच्चे. आपको सभी सेंटेंस में छोटी छोटी ड्राइंग साइड में बनानी थी. आपने सिर्फ एक ही बना दी, बॉल और चेयर की. ठीक है? आपको हर सेंटेंस की साइड में आपको यू हैव टू मेक अ ड्राइंग. सिट प्रॉपर्ली, क्रॉस योर लेग्स. अच्छा ठीक है, लाइट नहीं है. चलिए, नाउ टेल मी, who knows the answer? Raise your hand and answer. Where is the duck? Yes, Anya Chaudhary, unmute yourself and answer.
The duck is.
You are muted. Anya, you are muted. Answer again.
The duck is behind
it is not behind. Look, duck is not behind. Check
The
again.
duck is near the poo.
No, near we have done here. It is near the poo. What is this position?
Duck is
Wait.
back of the pig. Poo.
What? The duck is? What did you say?
Of the back
No.
of the poo.
No. Mute yourself. You got 3 chances. Yes, Lavanya Kanojia. Unmute.
In front of the poo.
Complete sentence. Complete sentence.
The duck is in front of the poo.
Very good. So it is in front of the poo. Okay, Anya? Behind is not here. When I will ask for behind, that time you'll come to know. Because you have skipped 2-3 classes. So just listen carefully. That the duck is in front of the poo. Or we can say the duck is in front of the mug. Right? But it's better we should use the word poo. Because poo is a good character. It's a bear. And we all love poo. Now, the second one. You will only raise your hand. बताइए. We will try. Okay. Avni Jain बताइए. Yes, Avni Jain.
Who is duck front of?
No, we are just telling the position of duck, not the position of poo. Our focus should be on the position of duck. आपने क्लास में बॉल से किया था. हमने बॉल की पोजीशन चेंज करी थी बार बार, है ना. हमने बास्केट की पोजीशन नहीं बात करी थी, हमने बॉल की करी थी. So now tell me about the position of duck. Avni, do you know the answer? Okay, then mute yourself. Yes, Nipun. Yes, Nipun, unmute. Nipun, unmute करिए बच्चे, जवाब दीजिए.
And the duck is behind
The poo.
the cup.
The cup. The duck is behind the mug. Or the duck is behind the poo. Now, Anya, this is behind. Behind means piche. And this is in front of, means aage. Right? Okay, the next position. Who will answer? Acha, we will not say near. Near we have already used. Who will answer? Shreyansh, what happened? Yes, Aiza, you want to give a try? Yes, Aiza, बताइए.
The duck is
Yes.
beside the poo.
Very good. The duck is beside the poo. Okay, it is beside the poo. Right, very good. चलो, अभी एक और चीज करते हैं. Suppose I have my pencil box and I have my poo also with me. And if I am putting the duck here, wait. Now who will answer? Raise your hand, raise your hand. Somebody who has not answered. Wait, Prashansa. Wait for your turn, बच्चे. It will fall. Yes, Samaksh Singh, बताइए. Samaksh, बताइए. Samaksh, the mug नहीं, duck की बात हो रही है. Duck की बात हो रही है, बच्चे.
Disclaimer.
Sentence, complete sentence. Position word is correct. But I want complete sentence.
Sitting on the duck. And the duck is
Prashansa, I said you will not answer like this. I know most of you know the answer. But have patience if somebody is answering. Yes. Respect the speaker. Samaksh Singh, yes. Try. आप सही बोल रहे हो बच्चे. प्रशंसा कितनी बारी मैंने आपको बोला कि आप नहीं बोलेंगे बीच में, बाकी बच्चे बोल रहे हैं. एक बच्चा बात दे रहा है ना. हाँ, समक्ष सिंह बोलिए. समक्ष यहाँ देखो. हाँ, the duck is between the between the किस किस के बीच में है? Pencil box and mug.
Birth.
Okay, very good. Now Prashansa, you can try. Prashansa, unmute yourself. अब जवाब दीजिए बच्चे, अब बताइए, सेंटेंस बनाइए. प्रशंसा, अपना माइक खोलिए. अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
Ma'am,
Now tell me the position of duck.
the duck is between cup and pencil box.
Very good. The duck is between cup and the pencil box. अब इसको साइड में रख देते हैं, पेंसिल बॉक्स को. 3 चीजें उठाकर मेरा हाथ भी दुखना शुरू हो गया because it's too heavy. Okay, now next one. Yes, Shreyansh Raghav. Shreyansh, come on. Baby, बताओ.
The duck is under the
No. Anya Chaudhary, by raising both the hands. Huh? Sit smartly. Somebody else. Shreyansh Raghav, mute yourself. Yes, Avni. Avni, yes.
Ma'am, duck is in the
Mug.
pool.
In the pool, in the mug कहेंगे हम. Very good. So the duck is in the mug. Pool के अंदर तो नहीं जा सकती ना, तो it is in the mug. Okay. Now who will tell? Now who will tell? Who has not tried? Yes, Mitansh. Mitansh. Where is the duck? Where is the duck? Yes, Lavanya Kanojia.
Cup poop. The duck on the pool.
The duck is on the poo, or the duck is on the mug. So this is on, this is in, or inside we can also say. जब पूरा अंदर चला गया. Now this is beside, this is near, in front of, okay, behind. Now what is this? हाँ जी श्रेयांश, अब आप बताइए. श्रेयांश.
The duck is under the
mug. Yes, the duck is under the mug. So you have seen. Okay, everybody mute yourself. Mute yourself. Everyone mute yourself. Now you have seen I have used 2 simple things at home and I have showcased. Shreyansh, please mute yourself. Shreyansh, mic band kar lijiye. And we have done so many sentences we have created of using the words, that is prepositions. So similarly at home you can use different things, different articles, and you can practice for prepositions. So this is how you come to know about the word practicing the prepositions. So the more you will practice, the more these words will become friendly to you, and then you will never forget them in life. And these grammar portions, these sentences, these prepositions, all these words, they do become a part of your throughout the school life. Okay, तो पूरा टाइम हर क्लास में ये आते रहेंगे, तो इनको आप भूल नहीं जाएं. That is why keep practicing with them, right? So everybody, it is clear. Prepositions is clear now. किसी को समझ नहीं आया तो पूछ सकता है.